I'm David with Friendly Computers, and I'm here to tell you about your wireless network and security. Now, when you're set up, always make sure once you get your wireless network set up, you should always have some form of security password on there, whether it be a WEP key or a WPA key. Make sure you choose the right router for what your needs are. If you need a lot of bandwidth and distance, or if you just need something small, that'll all affect in the different price that of what you're going to be paying and overall what you want to do with the system. If you're going from place to place, make sure you have a wireless card for your laptop if you need to connect at different places such as restaurants or even hotels. If you have a firewall that you know how to control, and if you don't know how to do that stuff, never be afraid to call in an expert and have them come and show you how to set up your wireless network or even set up your firewalls or WEP keys.